Alright, it is Robo Mesa here. We're gonna get to the voice shot. So, going to the voice shot.
This is a sea of angry hyenas.
So just everyone versus Lakeside Castle Raceway.
So this is the 8-car duel at the masochistic, rainy Lakeside Castle Speedway /
Masochistic?
Raceway. Hell yeah.
Shut the fuck up.
We're gonna start up the countdown. Oh yeah,
refuel.
do make sure to refuel. To refuel, guys, you just need to press X and wait 5 seconds. Don't touch anything else.
Don't fucking let Ono get in.
For refuel.
Okay, I assumed everyone is refueled by now, so I'm gonna start the countdown.
No. Oh well, I'm fine.
Running on half tank.
Refuel.
I'm like still in the blue.
Alt F4 to refuel.
No.
Remember that.
Okay.
5 liters.
So
I don't know
this is
how
gonna
that
be the real
works.
countdown. All right, we are going to get going. This is the legit one.
Alright, I need to actually.
Guys, remember, you can refill when you're driving. Just press Alt and
The lights
F4.
have gone green, and the drivers are mean and up to turn 1.
Rip Eris.
Everyone is loose. The twin has spun it. Eris to the lead.
Twin noob.
Rip Eris.
Jake
There
falls over
to
to fifth
go.
place from 3rd.
Um,
In the back
who's
there,
that? Who's that pink?
Twin
Who's
has
that
got
pink
quite
car?
a bit of ground to make up.
Guys, who's that pink car?
Eris.
I think he has. I think she has too much grip.
Yeah.
I'm
she's
on
too
rain
much
tires.
grip.
I'm just on rain tires.
She's just
I'm
good.
on rain tires.
Anyways, overtake move could be very likely between T7 Jake and Lemon Bucket. He's gonna let Lemon Bucket get by. As Proto punches the turn, Proto slow your car down till Jake is by you. Proto.
Sad face.
Okay.
Guys, I'm actually south of Aris because like a lot of grip.
When the Eris is sus.
Proto, slow your car down. Stop it. Okay, good. You could go.
Yeah.
You cut an entire fucking corner.
I'm getting ads for very inappropriate websites.
Okay.
Good.
Anyways, at the lead.
Just link them to Robo.
Well, looks like AG Capadonna and Lemon Bucket are now currently battling for position as Blue Gen hits the fucking
Watch him spin right here.
neither drivers have spun.
Shut up.
Other than Eris, who spins at the lead but keeps her lead.
Spuns.
Half spin. When the imposter is sus.
When the imposter is
sus.
As Blue Gen actually, as Blue Gen walks towards
What the fuck is the? Oh my god.
Just went into the wall.
Capadonna with a spin. The same thing goes for Twin.
So much drift.
Not as badly. Anyways, battling for the win. Blue Gen getting by Arisnetta.
Win is lap 2. This is why your hosting sucks, or will.
Play by me. Meanwhile, Matthew Brady struggling to finish his first lap. Arisnetta is seeing what she could do as Lemon Bucket spins on the hairpin. It's going to allow Twin to get closer to him. Meanwhile, for the battle for the front of the race, already overlapping Matthew Brady for the second time.
What the fuck?
Blue Gen and Arisnetta.
Oh, they got so much grip. What the fuck?
Blue Gen kind of knows his track, and Arisnetta just as good on rain. Anyways,
Well, Blue
battling
Gen
for the
made
third
the track.
position. Arisnetta hitting the pit barrier.
No, I didn't. I just spun.
Oh, it's just that's gonna put her from all the way from 2nd place to 4th place.
I get very little
Capadonna
traction.
hitting the pit barrier.
It was plan.
As Lemon Bucket spins around on turn 3.
You can excel without spinning, Proto. You just can't turn.
This is actually a pretty good race as a host. Not gonna lie.
It's like
as a host.
I fucking
it's like
hate
if
this turn.
Monaco and
Capadauna spinning around, so.
it's like Monaco and the Belgian Grand Prix had a baby.
Basically.
And you add rain.
currently battling for the second place
Turkey.
position now. At least a new battle has been stirred up between Ares Netta and Lemon Bucket. Proto's actually approaching his time to get lapped.
Eris, get the fuck out of here.
And Ares
Why'd
Netta
she-
opens wide, Lemon Bucket.
Okay, Eris has so much grip right now. What is going on?
She's just speed.
Yeah,
She's
yeah.
speed.
I mean, Blue
I'm
and,
high gearing
and Darius
practically
got,
every turn.
like way more grip than others, and it's
Yeah,
very tough.
Eris Netta actually, like, does not slide at all.
Yeah,
They know what they're doing.
that's all I said at the start. No, it's not like they know what they do, but
Dude, there's a
Jen
difference
is fun,
between
and
knowing what
allows
you're
them to
doing.
change between twin
There's a difference between knowing what you're doing and then literally just having way more grip in corners.
yeah.
I assure you, there shouldn't be anything.
Besides her, okay, yeah, okay.
I would be watching, but there's also a battle for the second place position. I'm
I
gonna
mean, Blue is not that fast for sure.
I mean, Blue just knows the track because he made it.
yeah.
No, Blue's
And
actually
twin is
really
just
good.
really
But
good.
how could he drive it like this in the fucking rain? I mean,
Because he programmed the rain.
even if he knows the rain and he knows the
Cutting
track,
through
he
the
still
corners
can
right
drive
there.
like this because
Not too bad, but quite naughty.
Hey, how
Josie
far is
Star.
Eris behind me, Robo? Robo, how far is Eris
Pretty
behind
far.
me?
Yeah.
I know
Okay.
Blue and I know how he
Captain
drives, so I'm not. Yeah, fuck it. Honestly,
Captain
to
pulling off
drive
the track.
is good. Is good to drive for fun, but not for race. Even
Okay.
for fun race.
Alright, do you want me to fly you so you can just mess around a little? Here,
I'm just gonna spectate others.
Alright, I'll just give you a fly just if you
I
wish.
just wonder how they got so much grip.
Really, though.
Oh, I know that, guys. When you try and press F, I got it. Oh,
Oh,
Blue
thank you for
dies.
such a wonderful solution.
Blue Gen
Fixes-
spinning on the carousel. That's gonna allow Twin to keep the lead.
This fixes all of my issues.
Now currently a whole straight away and a turn behind. Looking back there between the battle
no,
between Ares and
actually,
Lemon
Ares.
Bucket.
Wait,
Looking at Lemon Bucket's
hold up.
perspective.
Does keyboard has more grip than mouse?
I think it's the opposite.
Does keyboard has traction control or something like that?
I think
Watch those
I
cuts,
mean-
Lemon Bucket.
Sorry.
when I was
It's all good.
playing, when I switched to controller, I
It
thought
just
it
so
was
hard to, like, keep
exactly
between your
right.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying, like,
I think the keyboard, I know the keyboard has like a gradual throttle. So does the mouse.
It's not in controller. Okay. I mean, the controller literally dominates in
oh,
track.
Ares Netta with a spin, but not that bad. It's gonna let.
I mean, I don't know how you did
Watch her do this turn. Watch her do this turn. Look at that! You can't tell me there's not something up with that.
I don't. Maybe you're just taking it the wrong way. Also, there is a car there's a car
Driving the
currently
track
stuck.
backwards. Oh, no.
There's a car that is stuck. I'm not sure if there's any.
Wait, is it
It's a pit
stuck,
wall.
stuck or
It's
abandoned?
near like the pit wall.
Oh yeah,
Is it
it's,
stuck or abandoned?
it is abandoned, so that's gonna call for a yellow flag. Everyone's laps will be reset, but once we are pacing, that's when I'll reset them.
What's pace speed?
My discretion, Twin, if you kindly slow it down for a second.
Yeah, just go any speed until you catch up, like usual.
So is it like a race back?
Yeah, race back.
How was that? How was that
Well,
not?
you tell me, because I've been going at pace speed for the first half of the circuit.
I established this previously, but sorry.
God, this is gonna make me really paranoid at max speed.
It's scary.
It's actually scary.
Oh,
you
I don't know how he
he
didn't hit the pit lane. I don't know how he didn't just hit the pit lane wall. Ooh. Bro, but you should have seen that. It was scary.
So I'm assuming the lineup as it is currently is Twin, Blue Gen, Eris, Lemon Bucket, Jake.
Like even Blue Sonic is questioning how much grip she has. You can't tell me there's something up. Wait, is it race back and then pace?
Well, I mean, one way I know is to use that.
It is race back and pace.
Blue.
Exactly. Look at what Blue Gen's saying right now. She's super aggressive and she doesn't spin.
Well, I mean, I don't know.
Just read what Blue Gen's saying right now.
That's how I've done it.
Lemon Bucket, where are you?
I'm on the course.
Are you going pace speed?
Maybe because when I asked if it's race back and then pace speed, you said yeah, it's race back and pace speed.
Yeah, apologies. Just head to the front of the pack. Sorry, I meant to clarify race back, then keep your order, then pace speed once you hit the pace car. So I think we're probably gonna have
Are you the
lap
pace
like
car?
this. Yes, I am. So we will have another lap due to the fact that not everyone is properly lined up, and I don't think they will be in time.
At the starting line?
Yeah. No, they won't be, so we're gonna have another lap under yellow.
I'm getting more of the ass.
Yeah, just keep it, like, go normal pace until you're up to the pack.
Oh, Isaiah's here.
Yeah, I see him.
What, so go at race speed or pace speed?
Yeah, go race speed until you're up to the pack. I don't know why you guys aren't here yet.
Oh my fucking god.
Yeah, just get to the pack and then I'll be able to change everyone's lap to lap 7. Which I can do right now.
Are you in the pace car?
Yep.
Eris, hurry up! God.
To clarify, we will be going without Matthew if Matthew is gonna be like this, because...
Sorry, I'm trying to catch up. So.
It's all good. It's all good. Yeah.
Oh my god, dude! She literally just accelerated and then did a little wobble sphere like you're trying to warm up the tires without spinning. You can't tell me there's something up with that.
Yeah, I kind of seen something like that when I was
not trying to warm up the tires. I literally got wheel spin.
No, but I've seen you in your corners. You take such an aggressive line and don't lose steering at all.
When I try doing that, I lose. It's like I slide everywhere.
Exactly.
It's like
every single time.
Hold the brake in completely to try to stop when you come straight.
Okay, so
how
this is...
are you...
Jake. When the developer...
Okay, so this is gonna be the lap where we'll...
when the game is suspicious that something is wrong, then something's probably wrong.
If you want, I can just DNF myself.
Oh gosh.
It's okay.
With the pack, right?
Arisona, I'm gonna hop in your car after this race. Cause this is not the first time that something's happened like this at one of your races, Robo.
Okay, so this is gonna be the time where we will start to actually go. Once I pull into the pits, then you'll be able to go. So I'll tell you guys when to go.
Pace car retreats into the pits.
3, 2, 1. Green flag is out. Go ahead.
And we are green at Daytona. Okay, that's some bullshit.
What happened to Matthew?
I'm coming across the finish line right now.
Okay. Did you spin or something?
Yeah, it's... Come on, there we go.
Oh, Blue Summit Team just spun. And I just spun because I can't maintain grip! This racing actually sucks. Actual shitty stuff.
Meanwhile, Twin Turbo extending his lead, and Arisneta and T7 Jake are coming up to what seems to be a battle that Jake is trying to win. He's going to get by her.
Fuck, I can't see the turn because I'm on 1 graphics.
I know, I'm on 1 graphics and I'm still hitting that lag.
Jeez.
Is it V-lag with other cars, or is it your car?
No, in personal.
Oh, T7 Jake with a spin. It's gonna send him to the wall, lose 2 positions out of it. And Jake is gonna, or Blue Gen is gonna pull the double overtake. On both Arisneta.
In personal, I just lag on a lot of stuff. It's how much graphics mean how much RAM I have. So it's not. I just ordered some RAM this week, so. Like, I'm still surprised that I can still run some games okay with how much RAM I have.
And currently looking like it's gonna be Twin, Blue, Aris, getting loose on the straight. Then Blue Gen. Or actually,
No,
that's Jake. Sorry.
Overlap again.
And then it's going to be Lemon Bucket 45.
Jeez.
And in the back of the pack, it's going to be Matthew. Oh.
It's she. Oh my gosh.
And we are now coming up to 5 to go as Twin Turbo passes the line. Arisneta falling behind even more. It's going to allow Jake to inch up closer. He's going to try to make a move here.
But
Both of them spin it, but Jake gets out faster. That was almost artistic. Brady, just a suggestion. Press M to go into semi, so you don't have to use the clutch.
I am.
What, the hood view?
No, so he
No.
doesn't have to deal
Here's-
with like redlining so much.
It sometimes doesn't want to go in gear and
And
say.
Arisneta
Oh, both
is
of them.
the pit.
Both Eris and, whoever was Jake
Jake.
spun.
Yeah, but it looks like the Airs had the worst recovery. It's gonna allow you to get by her.
yeah, because
Not
I had
quite.
1 wheel. I had
Not
1
quite,
wheel
she
on
just
the
went
pit
back.
wall.
This is now looking like a battle between you two. I'm gonna go to your perspective. Arisneta's gonna send harder spins around, letting Lemon Bucket have a better entry and exit. They're currently side by side on the backstretch.
Backstretch battles. Remastered.
Yeah.
Fuck!
Arisneta is gonna, well, send it harder into the hairpin.
I need to
Actually,
find
works out
out a
quite
breaking point for that because I can't see the turn.
Of course it works out for her, because she can actually turn.
Yeah. How can they turn and most of us are sliding out?
Exactly.
How? You
Exactly.
down to almost a dead stop. That's what I have to do in order to stay stable and to the.
But Arisneta can, like, take it like she's on a dry track.
Yeah, how? That makes no sense.
I'm watching
That's what we're saying here.
I'm watching from her perspective.
Like, look at how I have to take a corner, and, like, you'll see me start slipping. And then look at how she takes a corner, and she doesn't slip at all.
So her strategy is that she redlines into the corner.
Bro, I don't think you're comprehending
her
what
perspective.
we're saying here.
I'm literally watching from her perspective.
How? Because I tried going back. I'm sliding. It's split.
I try to follow her exact same line, but she just goes faster. She has more grip.
Yeah, she
No,
can't
you don't
deny it.
understand. You don't understand. She's taking the line in
Half
circle.
the field is saying she has more grip. She most likely has more grip. The
Because she's-
developer of the game is telling you that she most likely has more grip.
Oh man, she's spotted wrong.
There's
Let's
something
go.
wrong.
Lemon bucket to stand in his leader.
Because I tried red line, and I still slide. So how is she not sliding in the corners?
Because skill.
No,
You-
that
you
Robo, that is
You
not a
can
valid
keep
point.
handing out the exact same bullshit excuses. It just
Robo,
you just can't.
skill is not a valid point.
That's, yeah.
Even I'm
Skill-
telling you that skill is a really loose, fucking example.
Yeah.
I gotta tell you,
More
Dakar
grip.
would be having more trouble in the corners than she would.
Yeah, I'm having a lot of control. Like, had a lot of
She's
issues.
50 seconds behind first. I don't know why you guys are complaining.
Robo,
She has,
you're just ignoring what we're saying right now.
yeah, she has more grip.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, Robo, you're
Her-
ignoring.
I think I was behind her, and I seen
Getting
her
more of the
even on pace, and she didn't slide. And I did, didn't I? So she hit for that. She has more grip.
Twin turbo coming up to overlap Eris.
fuck.
It's not much though. There's not really any battles currently at the moment.
Wait, when do you know if you have to fuel up?
You just look at the
There's a
fuel
fuel
gauge.
gauge.
So far, I'm doing
Okay.
pretty. I guess. I can't. I'm trying to read it, but it's like.
White flag's out, Robo.
There's actually 2 to go. Remember that there's a message
well.
that says 15 then. So we're still got more to go. We're now on the white flag for twin turbo.
Whatever. I'm
V6.
dead last. I don't care. This is first race, but whatever.
Really though.
It's like I can do better on dry instead of wet. Like my
I'd be running better with asphalt tires on dirt.
yeah yeah. It's like when I race at my when I do
with
my
drag slicks
races,
on ice.
and
Pretty
yeah,
much, you'd be running better with that.
it's like
Well, I mean, these cars are really weird. The handling is weird, especially on this. Sometimes they want to understeer, but then they just want
What
to
chassis
oversteer.
is this?
A.
chassis.
1.3.
So everyone behind twin will have finished. So keep on going. So I'll tell you when you guys are finished. So driving with a Wolf Team Racing Machine. Got twin turbo V6 running a V8 powered muscle car. And he is in first position. He has won it. He has won the meme race, the Sibinaldo race. Arsnetta finishing 5th place. Lemon Bucket, Lemon Bucket, Lemon Bucket.
What?
You still need to go. I did not say
What are you
that
talking about?
I did not say that you were finished. You were not behind.
So why'd you say white flag on the lap that I came to?
Yeah.
Because that
You
was
said white
That's
flag,
twin.
and it says
Said white.
finish.
twin. Lemon Bucket. Cross the line. Go around. Go around the track.
It literally I crossed the line and it said finish.
Because that's global, it shows up the same for everyone. It's because Twin finished.
Yes. You were ahead of
I
him.
know Twin finished. I know I wasn't ahead of him, but it was checkered when I crossed, and he wasn't
Because
lapping.
it's for everyone. If Twin finishes, it shows up for everyone.
But I wasn't a lap down, that's what I'm saying.
I mean, then why doesn't it say that you set in your lap?
You were still ahead of twin And you just surrendered your position to Eris.
Because you called white flag, you dumb shit.
No, I called it on him. And everyone behind him.
He said he specified that it
specifically
was on
behind
Twin.
him. But you were technically still ahead of him, despite being
He
behind.
specified that Twin had the flag.
Yes, and you literally lost the position. You can't even call that bad hosting. That's just kind of your own call.
Still shitty race though.
Okay. Here's Ned's gonna end up finishing ahead. of Twin.
I'm just gonna forfeit my position. I don't even take this seriously anyways, it's just bullshit.
You could add some grip to the tires or whatever.
Yeah, please do that. Actually, hold on. Eris, stay in your car once you finish.
This rain
Nope,
race.
Blue already took it.
Oh my fucking god.
And in the back of the pack is gonna be Matthew going sideways around the finishing line.
Yeah, because I slid and hit the thing. But yeah, if you added a little bit grip to these,
Yeah, Blue Spike is literally not spinning through that. Okay, now he is, but...
Alright.